My name is Dale Tilbrook. I operate a business in the Swan Valley and I've been doing that for the last 25 years. I know a lot about bush food. It's very dear to my heart, and from my elders I've acquired a lot of knowledge and then I've backed that up with my own research. What surprises guests most and what makes our experience unique is the number of different foods they get to try. Most people don't have the opportunity, and we don't just talk about it, we actually do try all the food, and people really appreciate that. This experience is great for everyone, and we get lots of corporate groups, but equally we get family groups, couples, and of course kids are always welcome. The Swan Valley is part of the Perth metropolitan area. It's the oldest wine growing region in Western Australia, so lots of things to do here in the Swan Valley.